Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new dark glam look for you guys, and it's a very fun, easy one too as well. So let's get started with today's tutorial. For primer, I'm taking the Maybelline Shield Prime Shield. I'm taking the Prime Shield by Maybelline, and that's going to be our base for our foundation. Next, I'm going in with Revlon Colorstay in 330. I am taking a 34 stippling brush by BH Cosmetics. Next, I'm taking the concealer by Tarte in light neutral. I'm gonna go in with the Airspun translucent extra coverage and powder, and this is gonna set all the concealer in. Okay, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna go draw my eyebrows off camera and I'll see you in just a second. Okay, so I'm gonna bronze my face using the Nikkie Tutorials palette. Well, for the contour brush, I am taking a 32 BH Cosmetics brush. Okay, so I'm taking my usual eye primer by M.A.C, the soft ochre, and this primer is to hold in all the shadows more longer. So we're just taking a flat brush and we're just gonna prime our eyes. Okay, so next I'm taking the Morphe palette 39A Dare to Create, and in the palette we are gonna go in with this shade right here, which is Create. Taking a 26 blending brush by BH Cosmetics, and we're gonna go in. Okay, next into the palette, we are gonna take the shade Muse, which is this very dark color. And with this color, we are gonna lay it on the front of our lids and just blend outwards. So I am taking a 21 BH Cosmetics brush. So I'm going in with the Nikkie Tutorials palette with the sugar coated shade, and I'm gonna take this number 9 brush by BH Cosmetics. And so we're just gonna highlight into our inner corner of our eyes. So I'm putting black eyeliner on my waterline, and I'm going in with a 601A in the shade Baby's Got Black. Okay, we are taking a flat brush by e.l.f. and we're going to put some of the Create on here and we're going to smoke it out with the black liner. So I'm gonna go put on my wings and I'll be right back. Okay, so next I'm taking these lashes in the name Gala and they are by Lash Couture. Okay, so I'm going in with the Maybelline Big Eyes mascara and I'm gonna coat my lashes with this. Okay, so for my lipstick, I'm taking Jeffree Star in Unicorn Blood. So I'm taking the Moonchild by Anastasia Beverly Hills and I'm going in with a Morphe 510. Okay, so for setting spray, I'm taking the Make It Last by Milani. Alright guys, so this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you did enjoy this look. This is a dark glam look and it's very easy, very fun. And go ahead and share this with your friends. You know, like this video, comment, and subscribe because it does help me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.